This is a microphone review video, but this is not the microphone that I am actually going to review. This one is not plugged in to anything. We are actually reviewing the one that I'm wearing right here, and it is the DJI Mic Mini. The DJI Mic Mini comes with a little soft case with some cool stuff in it, but it has this hard case that contains all of the accessories that you need. I actually have the receiver plugged into this phone right now, but when you open up this case, you've got a spot to hold 2 of the microphones, one of which you see here. They give you 2 of these black pop filters and 2 of these gray and black pop filters. You also have a spot that holds and charges the receiver. So this charges everything, and there is a spot for a little adapter. It comes with a USB-C adapter so that you can plug it into your USB-C devices, including smartphones. I'm actually filming this on my iPhone right now with the receiver plugged in there. But I have a lightning adapter on that as well so that it works with my phone. That part is sold separately. So with this, you get the C adapter, and if you want the lightning, you need to buy a separate piece. The case also charges with USB-C, so it has a port in the back to do that. It is pretty sturdy, and this has a nice little click release. You can hear it snap back into place as we close it. I do have noise canceling mode on right now, so if you're wondering how good is the noise canceling, my question to you is, how much ambient noise can you hear? A plane literally just flew by a second ago, and I'm gonna make sure not to cut that part out, so you would have just heard it. You can back up and see if you can hear it again. But if you could hear that, well, that gives you an idea of how good the noise canceling is. I think it's pretty good, to be honest. So I don't know. I'm very happy with this purchase. Plus, it was under $200. It was actually under $150. I got it on Amazon for, I don't know, $130, $140. If you're interested, I do have an affiliate link in the description below that will take you to the exact store on Amazon that I bought this from. They had excellent reviews, and I was satisfied with the way the product showed up, so I highly recommend them. I'm not a sponsor, but you can find that link in the description below. So what else do you get? You get this soft case, and a few other things came with it. So you get these pop filters, you get a USB-A to C cable to charge the thing, and you get this cable that helps you connect the receiver to your camera if that's what you need to connect it. And that was the pop filters, again in black and gray, and I've got to say, these are pretty sweet. They just pop like right on this thing. I mean, I'm gonna take this one out, and it's probably gonna connect and mess with my audio, so if it sounds terrible, we'll just cut that part out. But yeah, that just pops right off. So this is what the DJI Mic Mini looks like without the pop filter on. It's quite small. It does have a little magnet on the back, but also you can clip it to your shirt if you'd prefer to do a clip instead of a magnet. You've got both options. Options are great. And then this pop filter just snaps right on. So very easy, very secure. You can hold it from that. See, it's not falling off. So I'm not worried about that thing going anywhere or getting lost. Hey friends, just real quick, I wanted to tell you about a free school community I have called the NewTubers YouTube Collective. It is a free school community for new and aspiring YouTubers who are hoping to start or grow or monetize a YouTube channel. If you don't know where to start, this is where you start. So check out the link in the description below this video. It's called NewTubers YouTube Collective. I hope to see you there. And now let's get back into the video. So this entire video was recorded with this microphone. I hope that that has given you an accurate representation of what the DJI Mic Mini actually sounds like and how good the audio quality is. This has been very easy to use. The range on it is exceptional. Not that I'm taking advantage of that right now, but you can go pretty far with it if you need to. I think everything that came with it is pretty sweet. You get a lot of value for it. Again, if you're interested in buying it, there's a link in the description below. And if you're still watching the video at this point, you probably don't hate the sound of my voice, which is awesome because that means you're really gonna like this next video right here. Go ahead and click on that, and I'll see you in the next one.